Ever wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording your voice? It's easier than ever with free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step workflow to automate everything. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating ideas. We use ChatGPT to brainstorm viral topics and write a full engaging script in seconds. Next, we need a voice. Free AI voice generators turn your text into natural-sounding narration effortlessly. For visuals, use AI-generated footage or stock clips that match your theme. No camera is required for high-quality content. Now let's assemble it. Use CapCut for auto captions and smooth transitions to keep your viewers hooked. Don't forget the thumbnail. Canva's AI tools help you create bold, high-contrast designs that get clicks. Finally, upload your masterpiece, optimize your SEO settings, and you're ready to grow your channel automatically. Start your faceless journey today. For more AI productivity workflows, subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools.